Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by locking down prerequisites, baseline test, core resources, and a structured calendar. Start today with a realistic 3-4-hour block focused on one high-yield system. This builds momentum and prevents burnout. Once done, use your baseline to map weak topics into weekly rotations. Make sure to choose one primary cue bank and one main review book so you consolidate learning instead of fragmenting it. That focused setup reduces ambiguity and gives you measurable progress each week. You now shift into deliberate practice, daily timed blocks of 40-60 questions with immediate, deep review. Explain why an answer is right and why alternatives fail. This cements pattern recognition. Once you have errors, convert them into active review items. Use Anki or concise flashcards for 501,000 close facts and review 20-40 cards per day. Make sure to take a weekly simulated test to track timing and error trends, and then adjust your study focus based. You enter the final phase by tapering volume and prioritizing weaknesses with short, high-yield sessions. During the last 48 hours, sleep and steady meals trump new learning. This preserves recall. On exam day, follow a preset routine, timed pacing, nutrition, and micro breaks to maintain stamina. If things go wrong and anxiety spikes, use 2-minute grounding, breathe, and return to your stepwise approach. Afterwards, log what derailed you so you can fix it in future prep cycles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.